University of Toledo's teamed up with the Department of Energy and its national labs to find clean energy solutions for a sustainable future. That's how they put it. UT hosted a workshop this week to explore opportunities from an innovative project that repurposes the nation's nuclear reactors to produce hydrogen. The Davis-Besse nuclear power plant is part of a pilot program in collaboration with Idaho National Lab to install an electrolysis system to produce hydrogen. Listen.
Our country and our local industry needs clean, cost-effective, and resilient, sustainable energy. This idea of creating hydrogen at Davis-Besse and other light water plants around the country could make that dream or that possibility come true.
The workshop at UT connected university researchers, national lab scientists, and regional leaders of the transportation, chemical, and steel industries.